Hello and welcome to this tour of number 39 Maze Close here in Earley. So what we have here is a block of apartments. The one we're selling is the one to the bottom left. You can just see the bay window there, and also the 2-bedroom windows, basically to the left of the entrance door. So let's just show you the area in front of the property. So let me just walk forward, and I'm just going to spin round because we have allocated parking for this property just over there. And as I spin round, you'll see in the corner we have a bicycle store for the residents of this block, and then we have more parking in front just here. And if I just spin around a little bit, that takes you to the beginning of the cul-de-sac. So that's where you come into Maze Close, just at the end. So that's the location, that's the frontage, the parking. And what I'll now do is we'll go through the front door and I shall show you the apartment inside. So we're in the central communal hallway now. That door is taking you into the main entrance to the ground floor block here. Let's just turn round. Sorry about the light going off. Let's just turn round now, and this is the main door into the apartment number 39. So we're in the entrance hall now. As you can see here, we have a wood effect flooring. You can just see the radiator in front of me. Just before we make our way forward, I'm just going to look to my left here and show you. Here we have the airing cupboard. And I am pointing this out because this has what's called the mega flow system. That is a pressurized water system, generally recognized to be one of the better systems on the market. So that's a good thing for the heating and hot water. So I'm going to make my way through now to the main lounge. We're passing the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom, and this is into the lounge diner kitchen. So pointing to my right, there's the lounge area with the French doors onto the garden. Let me just step forward here and just give you an idea of the view we have from here, because it is very private. I will show you the garden afterwards, but that's a communal garden. However, this particular apartment really is the only one that benefits from this patio and the lawn there. Let me just turn around and let's give you a full view of the lounge area first of all. Really good size, as you can see. And it just opens up here to the kitchen area. Let's just pop a couple of lights on, there we go. So we have a bay window on the front here, as you can see. Perfect for the dining table just sat there, as you can see. But let's focus on the kitchen itself. So we've got units to the left-hand side here. There's appliance space under, as you can see, and also the eye-level units there. But really what's quite a nice feature is this area here, where we have the breakfast bar, like an island unit that separates the kitchen area from the lounge area, and also the built-in oven with 4-ringed gas hob there, and a hood above as well. Space for the fridge freezer. And then the bay window, UPVC double glazed sealed unit windows with the Georgian bar, and this just looks towards the front where there's the parking area there as well. So as you can see, this is a really good sized open planned lounge kitchen diner. Okay, so that is the main reception room in the kitchen. So let's make our way forward now, and what I'll do is I'll show you the master bedroom. So this is a front aspect window there. Obviously you can see there's a lot of light coming through. It's a very sunny day. Space for the double bed there, and also to my left hand side here we've got double and single wardrobes just there. And let's just walk to this. There's a radiator under the window there, as I mentioned before, gas central heating. Space for further drawer units here, and then ahead of me we've got the ensuite shower toilet. So let's just focus on that for a second. There's the shower there. It's quite a large shower cubicle, pretty much double size of a normal. And the low level WC, there's the pedestal wash basin and partly tiled walls, but also a nice tiled floor as well. So very nicely finished, very modern sanitary ware. And let's now move back into the hallway and show you the second bedroom. That's this one here alongside. Again, sun shining through that window, so sorry about the glare. These wardrobes, they're actually freestanding, however, could well be staying with the property. So good storage space. This certainly is a double bedroom. Hopefully the camera lens shows that. As I said, apologies for the sunlight coming through. It is a bit bright there. Back into the entrance hall. And across the other side here is the main bathroom. So this is actually a bath. Obviously the ensuite was a shower toilet, so this is a proper bathroom. White suite there, low WC, pedestal wash basin, nice tiling, and again the floor is tiled as well. So again, a nice modern bathroom suite. You'll notice these doors, they are solid oak doors. Garden through the French doors. So like I said, this actually is a communal area of garden, but it really is only in front of the apartment that we're selling. So this patio here is only used by the lady that lives in this particular property, our client, the seller. And also this piece of lawn. I'm going to step up, look to the right, and just give you an idea of what the communal garden actually does. It runs along the back there. As you can see, the ground floor property here to my right, they've enclosed the little patio area, which is rather nice. And the one that we're selling is this one here. So this particular bit of garden, very private. And I'm just going to point out along the side of the building, you'll notice that we have a garden shed, which the owner of this apartment has had permission for that shed to be installed there, so that is the shed for their use. So yeah, a very private aspect from the French doors. All in all, a really nice ground floor 2-bedroom apartment with ensuite to the master bedroom. So if you'd like to know more details, do give us a call. The number's on the website. My name is Gary. Alternatively, it's the same number if you'd like to take a look inside. Thanks for watching.